Hello everyone, how's it going? Today we are filming from the salon. I didn't have time to do the video at home, so the next couple of days will be here at the salon. I curled my hair when I got up to go out, but it's a little warm in here. I'm in a little room, and when you use the dryer, it heats up like crazy, so sometimes you feel like you just want to throw your hair up. So usually a good thing to do would be bring some bobby pins with you, right? Obviously. So we're just gonna, you get hot, you want to pin your hair up. Of course, I like that little clump of hair to be up. Move some down and just twist it. And so even when you get hot and sweaty, you can put your hair up and not look like a total mess. And I'll just go through, put the bobby pins in and stabilize those curls in the back. So I always have, my kids know, can I get a ponytail? Can I get a bobby pin? I have everything in my purse. I'm like that old granny that gets the candies out of the bottom. Come here, little girl. I got a candy for you in the bottom of my purse. Shut your mouth. Quit crying. That's me. I'm that little grandma. The lighting in here is good. And there you go. Then you have it up, out of your face. Still looks cute. And I can sweat all day long, all night, all night. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this quick video of how to get your hair up out of the way when you're sweating halfway through the day, see, look, you could have 2 styles in one day. I'd probably have 5 styles in a day, but I'm not gonna do it. I'm not gonna attempt it. No, thank you. All right, everybody, have a great day. Like, subscribe, share, and I hope you guys are out there doing your hair every day. Bye-bye.